Hi friends, welcome to Python basic tutorials. Today I am going to explain about nested if and if else. So that is else if statements as well as multiple if statements. So if you have a requirement to validate multiple conditions, if you have a requirement to validate multiple conditions, so that time we need nested if statements actually. So if you look here, I am commenting first one. The same logic we can implement it in two ways. Okay. uh, First, let's see here. Ignore that commenting one because uh, triple double quotes, if you mention that, it will consider as a comments in Python. If you are going for single line, we'll use a hash. Multi-line, we'll use triple double quotes. Then here I have defined one variable with the input type integer. Once enter age, if it is less than 18, like we need to validate he is a minor, the person who are entering less than 18. Age between 18 to 60 we are considering as, we need to validate adult. More than 60 we are considering as senior citizen. Like depending on your input, we'll be validating two conditions. First, it will come to your if condition. If age is less than 18, if you entered some 50, so it will fail here, right? And it will come to your another elif. Else if normally if you are in a Python, sorry, other than Python language, we will call as else if. Same here, only spelling will be changed. That is el if. That is nothing but else if only, but here syntax is like this: el if. So another condition, this condition is between 18 and 60 age. So whatever you have entered, that age is falling between this age, it will print this adult, it will print this adult. Else again still it is failing this condition, means it will come to else condition, it will come to else condition, and it will print senior citizen. So like this we can add multiple elif conditions, we can add multiple elif condition. So I'm running this. So I'm entering age 12. Now we can see it is giving you are a minor. Okay. Same thing if I give a 61 or 65, what should I get? Get senior citizen. You are a senior citizen. So that is this age whatever you are entering here, I'm converting as an integer. So remember this, because default it will consider as a input string. If you are going for condition string and number, it will throw error. That's why I'm converting integer here. If it is less than 18, it will goes to here, it will print this message. If it is between 18 and 60, it will come to here and it will print here. So now if I enter between, I'm entering 45. Now you can see it is displaying you are an adult. So like this we can go for else if. So that is L if condition. So like this we can go for creating another if condition, another if condition. Like this you can add same condition, like multiple condition like this. So remember this, you have to maintain these spaces for any conditions, and ending with a colon. We already discussed on normal if condition. So this is a nested if example, nested if example. So like this we can change, we can add another condition. If I enter 32, I'm getting youngster. So same thing, because earlier it is displaying adult, right? So from I have added another condition called age between 18 to 35 I have added as youngster, 35 to 60 I have added as adult. Then more than 60 I have added as senior citizen. So this is the way we can go for else if condition. Else if condition. Same thing, same logic we can implement in nested if. If you see here, I am removing the comment. So whichever is commented, Python will ignore this commented one. It won't execute this. Same logic here. If condition, and this is my validation condition here expression. If it is less than 18, it will print minor. Else, again one more if condition here. Here we used else if. Here we used another if. Inside if condition, one more if condition will be used. That is called nested if. Nested if condition we have used here. But compared to this, if you have a more than 5 or 6 nested if, it is very difficult to debug that. But I am giving a sample example. So better to go for else if condition instead of going for nested if. Better to go for else if. If you have more than 4 or 5 conditions, if you have validations, that time you can go for else if. Like 1 or 2, you can go for nested if condition. So it will come to else. Again it will execute this if condition. If it is age between 18 and 60, it will give as adult. Else it will goes to senior citizen. Now I am running this. If I give 12, it is giving a minor. Now if I run for 34, it should give adult. Yes. Same thing, more than 60, it should give senior citizen. Senior citizen. Same logic we have implemented in two ways. One is nested if conditions, another one is for else if. So that is a difference in if conditions we have. If you want to add one more if condition, again you can add here. So that is nested if. This is I'm adding as 35, 36 to 60. Okay. Like this. Okay. Now I'm running this. We are getting a minor. If I enter 30, I should get youngster. If I enter 45, I should get adult. If I enter more than 60, I should get senior citizen. So like this, we can go for creating nested if conditions. The same logic we can implement in else if. So this is the difference between nested if and else if. So else if will be in the same line because it will consider as if condition. Again you can add multiple conditions, but here when you're talking about nested if, you have to maintain like this. Inside if, one more if condition, else one more if condition. So if you have if you are increasing number of nested if conditions, so debugging is very difficult. Like if you have some issues or if you want to validate if you have huge formulas implemented in your project, so validating is very difficult compared to else if. So this is the basic understanding on nested if and else if condition. That is elif. Spelling here is elif. Only that is the difference compared to other languages. Thank you for watching my video. Please stay tuned to get more videos. Please subscribe my channel to get latest updates.